Welcome to Landspot. Today we bring you this 2-acre lot in Cordova in Shelby County, Tennessee. This lot has access to power, water, and it is easily accessible through Bridgewater Road, a paved street. This parcel is ready for recreational or residential uses, and it is the perfect opportunity for an investment or to build your dream home in Tennessee. Shelby County is located in Tennessee. Cordova is part of the Memphis metropolitan area. The property is located 5 minutes away from Highway 40, where you will find the closest gas station. But don't worry, there are more options available in the area as well. Only 9 minutes away is Shelby Farms Park, one of the largest urban parks in the U.S. with biking, kayaking, and more activities. 28 minutes away is Memphis Rock and Soul Museum, with Smithsonian quality exhibits on local music legends. If you're in Memphis, you definitely don't want to miss Graceland, Elvis's legendary mansion that is the second most visited home in the U.S. just after the White House. These 2 acres in Cordova, Tennessee are on the market for over $200,000, but Landspot brings them to you for only $99,995. Other properties in the area are way more expensive. For example, these 2 acres in Memphis are almost $190,000, or this 1 acre in the area is $120,000, or this 1.14 acre lot in Memphis is over $500,000. Landspot has the best price per acre in the market. If you have more questions, feel free to call us or text us at 310-853-1455. Don't miss your opportunity to enjoy the musical living of Tennessee.